So you want, I know you fuck with me, but please don't be wasting my time. I'm not touching your thugs, baby, get just on the small. Hit from the front, get flip eyes to behind. Know that you mine, I know that you with me. Get to that ground, them niggas is sick.
Love me good and lie to me, lie to me, lie to me, lie to me. Bet they hear these words and call me foolish, call me stupid, like what the hell I'm doing. I've been in the studio and focused on my music. Ain't got no time to press you about them hoes that you been screwing up. Cause I know where I stand, know I got the key to your heart in my nightstand. You gon' find that testing out the waters ain't exciting as you thought it was, nigga, you be coming right back, right back. Nah, 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 nah. Crying ain't gon' fix it, so I'm still here. Nah, nah, nah. Long as you respect the way I do feel. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. I don't wanna be the one complaining. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. Yeah. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. They don't understand no arrangement. All this love waiting just for you. So don't pass it up, cause you'll regret it too. All this love waiting just for you. So don't pass it up, cause you'll regret it too.
Don't lie to me. Slide to Malibu and have some beach shit. Coming back to back, she hitting goals that she ain't reach yet. She ain't always romantic, cause I'm too deep inside the street shit. Lick her neck, she shaking, I ain't get down to her feet yet. Could you accept me for my past, but ain't no drama here. I ain't know about credit, I tried to buy her ass with Obamacare. Say I'm disrespectful, I'm trying to fuck him and know her mama there. Low-key, I be texting all her friends, she told me she don't care. Trench ass, baby, the bitch ass crazy. Toxic, baby, broken promises, you got me smiling, baby. Broke a couple promises, I'm wildin', baby. Yeah.
Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. I don't wanna be the one complaining. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. Yeah. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. They don't understand no arrangement. All this love waiting just for you. So don't pass it up, cause you'll regret it too. All this love waiting just for you. So don't pass it up, cause you'll regret it too. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. I don't wanna be the one complaining. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. Yeah. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. Long as you don't see nobody that I hang with. They don't understand no arrangement.
Man, you know what the fuck going on, man. Big quiz in this motherfucker, man. Big stuff, nigga. Double OG, nigga. Big TME, nigga. Double OG bitch, we standing on business. I look in the mirror and I see the trench. These niggas cap, tell them put on the fitted. They used to be hoopers, now they all some killers. Grand Marquis said you block them, we spun it. No niggas pussy, cause they ain't on nothing. Still the same nigga, ain't going for nothing. Bullet Street beat niggas up, had them running. Hit up BJ, niggas know that's my cousin, but niggas knew, so they start hiding and duck. BT and me, that's the gang, and we solid. Whole lot of shots, nigga, who is you robbing? Find me on the south with a knot of my robbers. Play with the gang, you get popped in your noggin, gang. Double O business, nigga, you know what the fuck going on, man. Big TME, nigga. Yeah, big quiz, nigga, you know how we steppin', nigga. Yeah, shout out to the members, nigga. Yeah. Some of y'all with the 9, you know I'm stepping, ain't double OG, nigga, don't even rap it. I'm on my way to the money, don't know where to go. The nigga follow my directions, ain't stuck in the fucking baby, hit the exit. Nigga skip school and hop right into the Lex. Got hit with a chainsaw, but I ain't from Texas. Your bitch, I'ma still a legend, wrong bet it. Green in my pocket, know I'm on my lettuce. You ain't no shit, I got money, I bet it. Fuck all your homies, I mean it, I said it. Grip on that ass, that's just all like a teddy. Spin on the house, celebrate with confetti. I got my eye on that wall like I'm fed. 93 gas, well, your shit is unleaded. The kitty stay wet, I'm like, girl, can I bet it? Big boy diamonds, I don't do that fake shit. If I don't got it, then bitch, I might take it. TJ so hot, that boy look like a spaceship. Now he ain't match you know he gon' face it. Smoke so much, nigga might be Jamaican. Go to my mom, nigga, feel like a Haitian.
Yeah, she got me on some R&B shit. Eyes closed, moving like I never see shit. Rubbing on my waist, so we fucking got you seasick. You know I love it when we fucking, I be speechless. Cancel appointments just so I can have you waiting on it. Need you to write it like you put a down payment. Cause I know he was so wrong to you, and I ain't tryna make no song for you, but you got it. Gotta stop fucking on Lena. Fell in love with Christina. Fuck with both of those bitches, but they don't bust it like Nina. Was about to hit up Selena. Cause you made me wait so long for you. I only keep you company, don't tell your friends you fucking me. Harassing all my bitches, tryna make them feel uncomfortably. You bring up what I did, but you can't bring up what you done for me. You should tell me what's so wrong with you. And I wish I could freeze time, so we could travel to the past and we could rewind. And I wish I could freeze time, I put a new AP on your wrist for the meantime. Yeah, we could travel to the past, I could fuck you in the 20s. We gon' have rich sex, show you how to make this money. You like bringing up the past, so I find it kinda funny. I'ma take you back in time, so I can teach you how to love me. And I ain't tryna make it on your block list. I'm the one who put you in Dior, cause you was shoplift. I'm not ashamed to say the love we have is toxic. Just another ghetto love story with a plot twist. We should get attached with no strings for the night. I remember when you used to be my fling for the night. When you wait on my prayer, you don't do those things that I like. Yeah, she got me on some R&B shit. Travel to the past just to take you out your cleavage. I could show you how to live life for the weekend on some freak shit. I wish I could freeze time, so we could travel to the past and we could rewind. And I wish I could freeze time, I put a new AP on your wrist for the meantime. That's if you feeling like you need time. Cause lately I've been feeling like you really need time. Lately I've been feeling like we really.
You know I don't trust bitches, yeah. And niggas ain't getting no money, they just got it for the meantime. I ain't no fucking role model. My favorite rapper was a drug dealer, probably why I sold dimes. Don't show no love, my nigga. Love will get you killed, that's why I show love so different. My wrist covered in BBs, and I don't even think they know what BB means, yeah. Lately I've been feeling like I need time, see. Never out with someone else and that she need mine, yeah. Talking about her body, can I know that she lying? Whatever she tell you, multiply by 3 times. But I squeeze in the night, leaving it like I bust down her face and that's high freeze time. And they just make it up like Maybelline. I put your ass in the mirror, took you out of them Levi's. And I bulletproof to make back you only see blinds. Took your ass to L.A. till your diamonds don't need light. If you finesse me more than once, then I must be blind. But I was only 16, I was like my first time. G like on me whole like 17, but I still keep one in the head, so I got 18 inside. And my young niggas don't fight. Always keep one night right by my side, but on your free time I can push a nelly on your waist, but can I please have some me time? Free time, put a new AP on your ass for the meantime. That's if you feeling like you.
step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. So now I'm tryna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm and feel with a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good that they've been in my mind. Told me I'm on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, can't groove it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me on you, babe. You don't care. So now I'm tryna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm and feel with a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always sunny inside, good that they've been in my mind. Gotta get right, tryna free my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text. I choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend shit never happened. Half of us laying waste to our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now.
Been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on ya. When you the one who's double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping, You're off the lease, run me my keys. No more popping up the hitty, yeah. I ain't even got the miles to trip on, yeah. No phone, who is this? Brand new, like the whip, rack it up, no assist. Hey bitch, I ain't average. Wake up, need a zip, and a
Hennessy, take a sip. Look at my jeans, I'm too thick. I ain't got no room for extra baggage. Don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your feelings while I'm up cleaning. Boy, please, I don't need it. Memories, all that shit, you can keep it. Oh, don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces. I'm trying to find a fuck to give for ya. You ran out of chances of forgiving ya. Yeah, listen, I'm listening just for you to go and break my heart again. I learned my lesson last time. I ain't coming. This is what you had now. And I bet you I look better, don't I? New phone. Who is this? Contact. Don't exist. Either I call that bitch. Gas way too expensive. No more benefits. Papa visit. Hands tied. No grit. I ain't got the room for extra baggage. So don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your feelings. While I'm up cleaning, boy, please. I don't need memories, all the shit you can keep it. Don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces. Knock on the door where my heart once was.
You a wild one, and I'm waiting and you like it's cool. Water like it's cool when you pull up with a new, and it's not me.